living in Wuxi right now.
So right now we are ready to go.
How are you, baby? Everything great on the way. That's my
Hello everyone, this is Syed Hassan making the first vlog for you.
It's a beautiful morning right now outside. You can see from the terrace of my home. I just live in 31st floor and it's a beautiful morning right now outside. The weather just becomes so cold from previous 3 days because of raining, and today it's a bit cloudy, but it's too cold right now. The weather just changed so quickly. I'm living in Wuxi right now from previous 2 years. Wuxi, Jiangsu. I'm loving it. It's so peaceful right now. So today morning we have to go to a company in which I was in the project. We are in the ending of project right now, and also to receive the final amount and to sign the end of the contract with them. So with a fresh cup of the coffee, I'm going to drink this coffee, and in parallel I also have to clear the project laptop that I can give back this project laptop back to the company. Right now you can see 17 degrees Celsius, but the feel is 12, so it means it will be really cold outside. Anyways, see you after that.
So right now we are ready to go. Okay, let's go. I'm also a little late. I should have arrived a little earlier, waiting for the light. I think we will be arrived there in 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Just almost arrived right now. I have to turn off the camera due to some security reasons. There is a privacy which need to be maintained by the project company.
So basically there was a small issue. My bank card couldn't transfer the amount due to some error, and I have to transfer some amount to the project company. So that's why I come to take the cash from the ATM, and now I'm going back. After submitting this, I can take my project money from them. This is some fees being charged in between. So just right now I finished everything with my project company. I received the payments from them. So I was coming on the way and I met my friend from the Middle East. So he just get a new motor. So let me show you how his new motorcycle look like. Habibi, how are you, Habibi? Everything great? So let's show us your motor. You can stop it. Let's see. So I was just stopping on the way, and I met a very dear friend of me from the Middle East. He also living here in Wuxi, and he get a new motor. He always used to say that I'm gonna buy, you know, a new motor, because he get inspired from my motor, because I used to, drive it a lot. He also used to sometimes drive my motor. So, Habibi, come here. So, how did you buy it and why did you buy it? Can you take this up? So, say hi to everyone.
Everyone.
Yeah. So, how did you get this bike and why did you buy it? But why did you buy it?
Huh?
Why did you buy it?
To have fun.
Why did you buy this motorcycle?
Have fun.
Have fun?
I like it.
Okay. You get inspired from who? Why did you, liking the motorcycles nowadays?
I don't know.
You don't know. So basically he get inspired from me, and he was saying, that he want to get it. But I think it's a really nice one right now. Okay, it's fine. So right now we are going to go for a dinner. He is going to give us a treat, a dinner offered by him, because in the happiness of we getting a new motor. So we're gonna go to a restaurant and have a dinner. Yes, Habibi, let's go. Let's go. See you. Let's go. So right now me and my friend both are going to have a dinner. Yeah, so we're cruising right now. Let's go. Lanzhou Lamian restaurant. In here you can get the halal food, and the good thing about this restaurant is that the food is also really delicious. You know, we love it, and we also come in here. We also eat the Chinese food, but sometimes we also come in here to eat at there. So that's the restaurant, Lanzhou Lamian. So let me show you the food when it gets ready. So right now we can see the food just come, and it looks delicious. There's some potatoes, some chicken in this, and smells really rich. So we also order a naan, and we're gonna put the bread inside it, and then it will taste more good. So let's see. Really delicious. Smell really good. We're also gonna eat it with the rice and the bread. Abu, so how is the food? You like it?
MashaAllah, brother.
Delicious.
So delicious.
Rice, our naan is coming. It's really delicious.
Me.
So right now we just finished our dinner in Lanzhou Lamian, and we are going back to home. So my friend already started his moto. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow then, okay? Habibi, assalamu alaikum. See you tomorrow. Take care. Drive safe, okay? So he's just right now going, and I'm also going towards home. So see you. So I just get back home a little late due to few reasons. I have to buy a few things for my home. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. That was my first vlog, and in the future I will be sharing my experiences, my life with you in here. Anyways, you can follow my account for the future videos, and stay tuned. And I really appreciate your time watching this video. Thank you.